Si Josh, yung husband ko, lagi niya sinasabi na Riz, sa negosyo, ang isa sa mga pinakamadaling problema ay pera. At least ngayon, alam mo na healthy ka, okay ang relationship mo. Yes, mahirap pa rin ang problema ng pera. Pero what if ang problema mo ay mga tao mo na nag-uunyon? Alam mo yun, parang what if ganito, hindi ka nasuportahan ng mga tao? It's something that's figure outable. Yun yung sabi niya talaga. And that really stuck with me. Na yes, there are fun days in entrepreneurship, but there will be a lot of days na parang feeling mo na dukdok ka na sa lupa. What do I do now? But then, I keep on telling myself, everything we can figure this out. Money is the easiest problem in business. And that really stuck with me, which is really very important as well, especially in business and in life also, I would say.